Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to fix WeChat initial network problem. Go guys to setting on your phone mobile, open your apps option and search right here for WeChat and open WeChat app and come directly open your storage and click here on clear cache and go back right now and click on force stop, click OK. Now you should come to your Play Store or App Store and update your WeChat app, and after your update you can launch your app. And last step, just have to start. And I hope guys this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video for more content. And I hope this video helpful for you, and try this method guys. See you in another video.